Hello, my friends! Remembering the difference between present simple and past simple. Shall I explain it to you? Look here. The past simple tense is the verb tense we use to talk generally about past events or habits. And the present simple tense is for current events or habits. Let me give you an example. I am very happy because I am with my friends. That would be the present. But sometimes we can have words like today that help us and are like clues. If you see them, pay attention, although there are some exceptions that might be misleading. This sentence in the past would be I was very happy because I was with my friends. Awesome! Have you seen how the verbs have transformed into the past? Let's look into another sentence. I build a snowman every weekend. This refers to a routine or an action that is currently happening very frequently. Okay, let's see how it would be in the past. Bill changes and becomes built. And every becomes last. This one is a little bit more difficult. Can you see what happened? Build is an irregular verb, so we can't simply add the suffix ed here. We have to remember it's spelled in a special way. And of course, if it's in the past, we can't say every weekend to support the context. Better to say every weekend last winter, for example. Okay? Now I'm going to give you some verbs and some time to place them properly. Where do you think they belong? Here they are. Okay, are, where, talk, talked, sing, sang, walk and walked. Okay, come on guys. Can you see that? I give you 20 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Okay, are you ready? Yes? It's my turn. You are beautiful, present, and you were beautiful, past. I sing a song every day, and I sang a song last weekend. Be careful in here, because again, it's irregular. We can't just add the suffix ed. We need to remember it's a special verb, okay? Let's go. I walk to school every Monday, and I walked to school every Monday last year. Okay, super fast. And I talk to my friend after school. Yes, kind of something that we do very regularly. And I talked to my friend yesterday. Great! Now, is everything clear?
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids! Okay, so this is the last activity pointing the past simple. Remember that past simple is the form we use to talk about past habits, past situations, and for regular verbs we need to put ed at the end of the verb, or for irregular verbs we need to remember and memorize like new forms. So yesterday is past. Yesterday, past. I went to school, and today, present. I go to school. Present is for current events or habits, and past is generally about past events or habits. Let's choose the correct verb for each column. Okay, you see that correct misses a T. Present, you are beautiful. You are beautiful. Very good. You were beautiful. You were beautiful. I sing a song every day in the present. I sing a song. I sang a song in the past. So you are, this is irregular, the verb to be, it's a new form. Sing is irregular because we don't put ed at the end. We don't say sing it, we say sang. I go to school every Monday, maybe, or I walk, okay? I walk. I walk to school every Monday, or I walk to school every Monday. I talk to my friend after school, or I talked to my friend after school. And this is regular, and this is regular. And yes, because we have ed in talked and walked, okay? So this is it. Remember that for the verbs to be, sing, and to be, these are irregular, and talk and walk are regular. Very, very good. Well done, guys.